So the yellow beans are all picked. Yeah, full bucket. Massive bucket. Massive bucket of those. I didn't even pick them all, I left some. I couldn't find much on how to pick these things properly. Basically, what I did find was some people use scissors, and they just cut them off right about there. And then when you're done with them, and you actually pick them, you cut off the ends, rinse them in water, freeze them, cook them up, whatever you want. Just keep in mind that when you guys are picking yellow beans, they actually have to be yellow. Green beans, stay green. Yellow beans, go from green to yellow. If there's a little bit of green on them and you're not too sure, leave them for a little bit, kind of like this one. I don't know if you can see the color there, but yellow with a green end. So that one needs to remain there for a little bit longer. Those are baby ones, those are just starting to grow. So basically you want to leave them. I mean, I could probably pick this one right here. But I'm just leaving it for now. So that's all done, and I'll show you guys the rest of what I got from today.